just got the remix of the disco ringtone. New Halloween ringtone. Is that? Wait, let me do it. Wait, that was actually I just got a Halloween remix of the disco ringtone. I got it again. I got it again. I don't think. Wait a second.
Not rare then.
I know, but I think this is a new one. Wait, leave the call. I said leave the call.
Wait, try ringtone me.
Yeah, okay. I got like
Get the ringtone.
Wait, did you not get the Halloween thing?
Oh.
What? Wait, call me. Let me see if I get it this time. What? I keep on getting it.
You have like 10,000 leaf clover. Ringtone me.
Okay.
No, I'm just getting the normal ringtone.
What? Wait, what? Wait, ringtone me. I keep on getting it. For real.
You just get it again.
Luck 1 million. Luck 1 million. I keep on getting it.
Okay, try ringtoning me again.
Okay.
Wait, dude, keep on calling me until I get the remix.
Wait, let me tell you something. Whenever I call you, I don't get it. Whenever you call me, I get it. And then when
it's incoming call sound.
I know, but how come you get it, but I don't? I mean, no, I get it when you call me, but you don't get it when I call you.
Yeah, it's like you just have the best luck on me.
What the hell? As soon as I heard it, I started recording so you could hear what it sounds like. Okay, ringtone me again. I want to see if I get it. Yeah, I'm getting it every time.
Bruh,
I'm getting every time. No, that was video call.
I'm gonna go play. I'm gonna play the game with my friends now.
I'm gonna leave the call.
I'm gonna get the spirit book. I'm gonna get the bird key.
I'm gonna leave and rejoin just in case I accidentally hit voice call, video call. I don't think I did though. But when I hit join call, I saw my cursor of the video thing. Okay. Oh. Lennox just say, help me, there's a nuke in my house. Wait, but I kidnapped him. Does that mean that there's a nuke in my house? Minnie, I think I might be dead because I kidnapped Lennox and he just said there's a nuke in his house. But
Yeah,
he's in my house. He's in my house though.
Then you're gonna die. How does it feel?
Bad. Rest in peace, Lennox and a dime. Wait, I think I got it. I got it on camera.
Orbs, ghost orbs.
Okay, I'm gonna upload it.
See you next time.
So you could hear it because it's cool.
Okay.
If I didn't get it, I bet I'll get it the next time you ringtone me because I'm getting it every time.